if you have been watching me for a while, you probably noticed that there is a completely different background. I finally got rid of that couch that you could see behind me in my past videos. So now I have more space, and now this time I'm actually facing a window, so I have more like daytime light, but it might not be bright enough. Let me know what you think. So today's video will be nice and quick. I just wanted to try out this faux freckle trend, so let's get to it. Alright, so I've seen a few different ways to do it. So the first way I've seen it done is actually with a spoolie. So I got one here, and I'm going to use my Lorac palette, but any powder. This is like a contour kit, but I'll probably be using the darkest shade here. So if I can get Lily's little fur out of my spoolie, I'm going to get started. So you grab your spoolie. I need to pick all of this. Okay, now I got some on here for sure. Excuse the lipstick smudge on my hand.
Well, it got on my shirt, on my white shirt, but not on my face.
Oh! Okay, you're just supposed to get a whole bunch on your spoolie. Because I got a few dots on my nose.
Okay.
Okay, whatever you do, do not touch the spoolie onto your face because you will smudge. Alright, now I look a hot mess because I did not do this right. But you're supposed to kind of grab a brush and press them in. We're going to kind of try to fix the ones that look like bruises, because we're not going for that look. So far, these look super cute, and so do these. So I'm just gonna try to put a little bit more. All right, I think that's about it. We're gonna press it in again. I got a lot on my eyelid, which I was not expecting, but I mean, that went away super fast. And now we're gonna try the other way. I'm just taking this Jonte Blue eyeliner pencil in color Charcoal. What I'm going to do is just draw them in. And they're looking like straight up polka dots. But hopefully when we put the brush on them, they'll look a little less polka dotty. Believe it or not, I actually do get freckles during the summer, but I have to be out in the sun a lot. But out here in the summer, we don't do much in Idaho. So I guess fake ones it is. Now I'm taking my brush. Oh, yeah, I don't like this version as much because I don't know if you can even see them, first of all, and second of all, they look like polka dots. So I think we got a winner. I definitely like the way it looks with the spoolie, like a lot more. So I'm just going to finish off doing this side of my face so this side doesn't look like I'm a giraffe. And that was it, guys. Just like that, we got faux freckles. I think this look is actually really cute. Obviously, I wouldn't do it every single day, but it actually looks kind of natural. It's not like polka dots on your face. That second way to do it definitely looked like polka dots on your face, but if you have a palette that you don't really care much about, obviously, because look at this, it looks bad, then go ahead and try it out and let me know down below what you thought. Did you like it? And other than that, guys, give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Also, let me know what you think about my setup, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.